Good morning, fully active all the time. You don't know me to pick up the couple from the airport the other day. So you don't know me have some tour for doing at the day yeah, in a real life. So I go through and do all of the tour them and make you see what I go on fully active. Yeah, you know, so me just that the hotel and me meet up and some more subscriber. Them they also stay at my place at the last time in a real life. So you know, say we're going to Spanish Bridge. So on the way to Spanish Bridge, you're gonna see this Rasta. Even if you go blow hole, just make a stop here where my office say check out where my sell. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's a good vibes. The tourists them would love that the little vibes the Rasta gives. So just check out the Rasta fully active. Further up the road, you know, so we see a craft man. Look on the craft, them babes. Yeah, man, the work them look good when them do, you know what I mean? In a real life, them nice, them look good. Yeah, man, pretty and active in a real life. So, but just I drive go around a Spanish Bridge, you know, because it's a long drive, you know, driving through the, what you da call it, in your country. The woodland or the wilderness or whatever, you know what I mean? But we are drive go around a Spanish bridge now, and as you can see on the two side are just tree yards on the two side. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so we are drive through the wilderness now. Yeah man, we are drive through the forest. Yeah man, we are drive through the woodland. Whatever you wanna call it. But see where we're going? Yeah, we are got a Spanish bridge. So the water run go straight down a white river. Yeah, that's the water that come from Spanish Bridge. So look at it now, it's pretty. Driving going up. Yeah, if you want you can stop there and have a swim. But it's not there we're going to Spanish Bridge. So we are gonna continue the drive, go straight up the road. You know what I mean? So just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend for tell a friend. You come a yard and you want some yardman tour, some countryman tour. Sunrise boss of the man if you do that for you see it. Yeah man, in a real life. Just a drive go around and now and make them full joy themselves. Wally pa clip you know go see another one video here, you see it cause me just edit all of the videos them when me video with them. From me pick them up at the airport and you see say me do that video and me post it. Me leave a link in the description, you can check it out. Yeah, so that was part one. So this one now, me just do all of them vlogging at one, you know what I mean? Cause them they only spend 4 days at Jamaica. So everything what we doing at the 4 days, me just give you a little clip of what I go on in a real life. Do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Now we make it to the famous Spanish Bridge. Yeah man, see that people up on the riverside already, but space still did a weekend full joy yourself, you know what I mean? Look up on the hilltop, there's some peeps, mountain pretty. Yo, Jamaica beautiful. Talking about that, we just reach and look which part they taking the picture right beside the cow. They want the cow in the background, yardman style. Yeah man, that are going in a real life. But otherwise a nice and sunny and lovely day yard, as I can see the place pretty. Yeah man, nice and lovely day at Jamaica. So you know things set you know. Soon go down to the riverside, me just do a place to park the car and just make them take them picture and a chill. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make you see what go on the river you know. Place pretty and nice man. Spanish Bridge is a nice river peeps. You need to check it out if you love river. Yeah man. Also them have the bridge where you can jump off. You need to check it out peeps. Spanish Bridge, yeah man, very nice place in a real life. Yeah man. Ah, yeah, man, little more. Yeah, little more.
Like yours, I'm like, yo, this is it.
From Toronto.
Yeah, man.
So remember,
First time in Jamaica?
Second.
The second time and they staying here.
Yeah, people, man.
second time here now. Yeah.
Yeah, people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you're a good spot, guy.
Yo,
Nice spots.
I love this area, man.
Yeah.
The hotel could use a little work, but the location
Yeah.
is unmatchable.
And they keep it clean,
Yeah, yeah.
you know?
A little upgrade inside, and this hotel will be gold and diamond.
Yeah. Nice. Especially the river's right there too. Nice. That's a nice spot, guy.
And you get local vibes here, like you go chill with the people under the bridge, and like
Yeah,
you
man.
feel the local culture.
Yes,
None of
yes.
tourist thing going, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what we like. So are you guys going
San Antonio.
Mystic.
Yeah, Mystic Mountain, they say they want to go.
Today is nice, you know? Yesterday kind of
Enjoy
rained on
yourself,
us. So
Yeah,
like,
yes,
yo, let's
it
put this day
rained.
off and try tomorrow. Energy, good
Yeah, man.
vibes. That's what it is, man.
Yeah, we like.
Good vibes only.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It just brings everyone closer with that energy, positive energy.
One love, man.
We met someone else yesterday too. He said that he met this guy, or not met him, but watched his video too.
Yep.
From a long time. So it's like us two here at the same time, same hotel. We're watching this guy from back home,
Small
like
world.
at our own side, our own time, like our own side, like just taking this guy in and look, boom, we meet up right here.
You make that happen. Your energy brings all that
Yep.
together.
Energy. I
Yeah.
told myself, yo, let's come back in summertime. When summer came in February, you know, it's kind of chill at night. So I'm like, yo, let's come back in the summertime where it's nice, hot nights, you know?
water in the nighttime?
No, we leave the hotel here now and way to Mystic Mountain. Them stop because them say them want water shoes and them just want to see what they in the gift store. So we stop here, so from here, so you know, so straight to Mystic Mountain we gone, fully active.
Okay, you want to just go bobsleigh. Oh, look at the rainforest. Wow. Okay. Restroom. Oh, this is the entrance to my thing. Right there. This is what I can see. This is the ride. Look.
Out here on the mystical jungle rainforest, you know? So a boat comes in out here. Falling
Look who's
down.
falling.
Things are falling down right now.
The almonds?
Yeah. Show mom that picture.
Almonds. You're missing another
Come,
one.
let's go.
See, this is where I'm gonna buy an entrance there after. When we're done the box set. Mommy might want one.
Hello?
I'm gonna need a picture.
What do you mean for this finish? The hour them play for 45. What do you know my sound already? Never play for club. Never play for club. Right across the world. Again. So everyone come on. Real no be at that time when you with straight. You see me? Big up peace officers, big up phone yourself. You see me I say? But when they talk lyrics, I want to hear lyrics. We don't use rhythm and cover lyrics. You see me? Me and I can do a little piece of something. Everything when me say, uno say chop. Uno ready for that? Chop. Uno ready for that? Chop. What uno gonna say? Chop. The money where you pay a tax office. Chop. Every day them say road that go fix. Chop. Credit card with no limit. Chop. Member cash plus they do it. Chop. When you see them a pressure taxi man. Chop. Pull them up a ticket like sand. Chop. Pull over the car and the van. Chop. Come on your window, come check out them man. Chop. Think man I eat that round here. Let's go. What on? Mr. Obi, what on? Watch it. Mr. If no one just turn over in there no business I just. Out of all the government, I would be the prime minister. To rob the country money and count it till me finger blister. And take it down and watch it for my ghetto brother and sister. And make sure that them have them school things every semester, yeah. Out of all the lawmen, I would rather be police. Cause every car me stop, me know me pound them off the grease. Me never know the rocket cause corruption and the least, yeah.
Squad.
Watch it! What's it? Turn that one there. You want that one there? Who do want that one there? Who don't know what to say if you don't want that one there? Watch it! Out of all the governments, I would be the prime minister. To rob the country money and count it till me finger blister. And take it down and watch it for my ghetto brother and sister. And make sure that them have them school things every semester, yeah. Out of all the lawmen, I would rather be police. Cause every car me stop, me know me pound them off the grease. Me nah go no rocket cause corruption are the least. Yeah, me nah go make the action one and me no get a piece. Then, out of all the doctors, want me gynecologist. Me want to look on that thing till me eye them all a twist. That to make me a police. What's that time? In a massive tea. From Banga phone, get a you doing broke again. Type them broke again, the place get up again, the thing them up. Tell you no arrange me. No one shot, but nobody not teach me. You think me and me girlfriend leave me buy leech sheet and I practice weekly. Hear me now?
Alright? Big it up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, hold your waist, big up, big up, big up. On behalf of Iron FM and all our sponsors, thank you very much for coming out.
Fully active. Yeah man, right now I pick a soursop from off of the tree, make some soursop juice, go give them at the hotel, cause you know say at airport we are going at the morning here, so them they love soursop juice, so them never forget any while them was here, so you know say I have to hunt a soursop in the morning there and juice it for them. So right now we are got the airport and them a mash up the soursop juice. That mean them a drink the soursop juice, peeps. Fully active yardman style. So you know the thing set. Me pick them up at the airport, yeah, bring them at them hotel, and also pick them up back at them hotel now a couple days later, and I bring them back at the airport. So just do the right thing. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also tell a friend to tell a friend. Fully active. Link me if you want a tour anytime, anywhere in Jamaica. Fully active yardman style. Alright.
Yes, sunrise. Get it again.
Ah, yeah.